Mopping stick, the most basic tool in every household that is used to clean the floor. But have you ever thought of the mopping stick as a fitness tool? If not, then today I will make you believe that it can definitely be used as a fitness prop. Yes, you heard that right. Hi guys, so today in Follow the Fives, I'm going to show you 5 exercises that you can do using a mopping stick. And before we get into the exercises, don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. First exercise is shoulder dislocations. Start holding the stick at hip height in front of you with a wide grip. Bring the stick up and over your head in an arc. Go back as far as you can, then return to the start and repeat. The second exercise, side rotations. Hold the stick horizontally to one side with the elbow bent on the same side, roughly around at 90 degrees. Rotate the stick through 180 degrees until your upper arm is parallel to the floor. Next is lat stretch. Start holding the stick vertically with one hand on the top and one hand on the bottom. Whichever hand is on the top, bend the weight to feel the stretch on that side. The next exercise is hip stretch. Get into a kneeling lunge position, holding the stick overhead with straight arms. Push your hips forward to increase the stretch or forwards and towards the front side of the leg to increase the stretch. Last but not the least, sitting pretty. Stand with feet staggered hip width apart, right leg in front of left, right foot flexed. Hold the stick on the floor at arm's length in front of you with both hands. Slowly squat down as far as you can, lifting your right leg. Return to the standing and repeat for 10 reps. Now switch sides. So now we all can try and use this mop as a fitness prop and include it in our workout routine to improve flexibility and mobility. But do not forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Keep watching this space for more such content. Signing off.